acid. What acid? It is 100% concentrated hydrochloric acid. And now I will take for potassium hydroxide, for base I'll take potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is available in the form of pellets. These pellets I'll take few into a beaker and then I'll mix some water to make potassium hydroxide solution, aqueous solution. Okay. This is a base. If you can touch, it will be very soapy because all bases are soapy to touch. And if you touch this acid, it's oily. Right. Now, this is acid, which is hydrochloric acid, and this is base, which is potassium hydroxide base. Now we will see the color of this acid in red litmus. Can you guess what will be the color of this red litmus paper?
Pink.
Red litmus paper in acid. What is its color? Red remains red. But in the same acid, if I take a blue litmus paper, what will be its color? Blue litmus paper in acid, it becomes red. So, red remains red and blue turns to red in acid. Now the same we will see in a base, potassium hydroxide base. This red litmus paper in this base, what color will you expect?
Blue.
Blue. So it turns to blue. Red litmus turns to blue. And what about blue litmus paper?
Remain same. No
Blue
change.
litmus paper remains blue. No change. That is the color of blue and red litmus in acid and base. So in acid, red litmus remains red, blue litmus turns to red. And in base, blue remains blue and red litmus turns to blue. Okay. Now we will see this acid color with methyl orange and phenolphthalein. So this acid, I'll take a small sample of this acid into this test tube. This is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid and okay, same I can use. So in both the test tubes, what did I do? I took acid. In this both test tubes, it is acid, hydrochloric acid. Now we will see its color with methyl orange. Methyl orange. What color will you expect with this methyl orange with acid?
Red.
It is red. Red. It's actually orange color. Look at this orange color. It turns to red with acid. But the same acid, what color will you expect with phenolphthalein?
Colorless.
It is colorless. Can you see any color?
No.
No color.
Sir,
What?
one drop.
What base? This is acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Okay. Now, my hands.
Both are acid only.
Both are acid only. Now I'll take this base,
Water. Sorry.
potassium hydroxide base.
Potassium hydroxide, sorry.
So in this I took potassium hydroxide base. In this also I'll take potassium hydroxide base. Right. Now first we'll see phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, sorry, I'll take phenolphthalein first. Phenolphthalein, what color will you expect?
Pink.
Phenolphthalein, it will turn to
Pink.
pink. Phenolphthalein with base, it turns to
Pink.
But methyl orange, in acid it turned to red. But the same methyl orange with base, it remains orange. It's orange, it remains orange. In acid it will turn to red, but with base it remains orange. So once again, blue litmus paper with acid turns to red, red litmus with acid remains red. Blue litmus paper with base remains blue, red litmus paper with base remains blue. And methyl orange with acid turns red. Phenolphthalein with acid, colorless. But phenolphthalein with base, pink. Methyl orange with base, orange, remains orange. No color change. So these are the colors of these indicators with acids and bases.